Ito ang bahay na modern ang design at perfect ang location. Siguradong malapit na sa lahat ng kailangan mo. Hello! My name is Maika Narzabal. I am your real estate momshi. At samahan ninyo ako as I take you on a tour of this fully finished house here in Pacific Park Place Village in Dasmariñas, Cavite. Let's go! Another house, another model. So this is the Pearl model unit. Ayan. So this is the gate. This is the entrance. As you can see, kasama na ito sa ating fully finished home. Sa turnover niya, meron ditong doorbell. Yan, kasama na yan. Pati itong name ng block and lot number natin. The gates. Meron din tayo ditong lights, outdoor lighting. And then the gate for the garage. Ayan. So, kasama na to sa ating house and lot package. Also, kasama sa package na ito ang consultation with the architect when you want to customize your home. So, ito pong color ng home natin ito, pwede kayong pumili ng iba't ibang kulay. Depende sa inyong liking. So, yan. Kasama yan sa ating as is, where is turnover. Okay? So, join me. Let's go inside. This is a 2-carport garage. So, malawak. If you have more than 1 car, pwede dito. Kasyang-kasya. Okay? On this side, we also have an outdoor water faucet. Yan. So, dito ideal, dito nyo ikakabit of course ang hose nyo para malinis ang inyong car. Or sa pagdidilig dito sa labas. Okay, and then on the other side, we have here electrical outlets. Ayan. So, ready na yan. May cover din. And then on this side, we have conduit boxes wherein dyan natin ikakabit yung ating mga electrical wirings and then internet connection coming from outside posts. Ayan. On this side naman, we have here a pocket garden beside the garage. So yan, some green space over there. But before we continue going inside the property po, punta muna tayo dito on the other side, which is the service area. Yan. Ito ang ating service area. As you can see, malawak. So if you have outdoor gatherings with your friends and with your relatives, ideal itong place na to. So malawak siya, going towards the garage. At open ang area na ito, so ang ventilation ay pumapasok. Okay? We have outdoor lighting again here. And then, kapag pumunta po tayo dito, diretso papunta sa likod, ito ang extension ng ating service area. Okay? So, dito po, this is ideal para sa iyong laundry area. So, meron tayo ditong outside water faucet again. Meron tayong outlets. which has covers for safety. And then, again, the good thing of all the houses na pinapakita po natin recently ay itong mga water valves na merong for different parts of the house. So, para kung may masira po na linya ng tubig sa loob ng bahay, hindi mo kailangang patayin ng main switch ng tubig. Yung part lang kung saan may sira. Para tuloy pa rin yung water supply sa loob ng bahay. Okay? And then, as you can see, fully tiled na po ang ating service area. We have our sink here. Ito pong sink natin ay may tiles na din. Okay? And then, ito po ang ating outdoor na door. Yan po. May access siya going towards the kitchen, and this is also waterproof. So, we will get back to that later on po as we get inside the house. Ikot tayo. Another space here. Yan, kung makikita nyo sa mga gilid ng house, may mga extra green space po tayo palagi. And then again, dito, well-ventilated ang area. So, this is the lanay. Ang lanay area natin ay may access going towards your dining area. So, ito po ay may screen doors, sliding doors with screen, para po pumasok pa rin ang hangin. So, babalikan po natin yan later. Okay, so coming in from the garage, andito tayo ngayon sa hallway, sa entrance. So, makikita ninyo, ito yung ating pocket gardens. So, kahit na iisipin mo na parang baka konti lang yung green space dito, pero hindi. Marami tayong pocket gardens na pwedeng paglagyan ng mga halaman or any other things na gusto mong ilagay. So, yan, pwede yan. And then, nakikita nyo ang ating walkway ay fully tiled na din siya. We also have water outlet dito. Okay? So, pasok tayo sa bahay. Join me, pasok po tayo para makita natin ang loob ng bahay. First, this is the main door. Again, for all of the units that I'm showing you, ng mga houses, ang door po natin ay waterproof na. So, kung umulan man, kung mabasa man ito, hindi siya madaling masisira o mabubulok. And then, meron tayo ditong lock, which is numerical for safety. Okay? And then, pasok po tayo sa likod ng ating main door. Andito po ang ating circuit breaker. So, sa ating circuit breaker, design po ito for safety. So, meron tayong iba't ibang breakers for different parts, electrical parts ng house. So, kung meron tayong gustong i-off dyan, pwedeng-pwede. If ever aalis kayo or mag-vacation at gusto nyo, safe yung bahay nyo, pwede po natin i-off yung main breaker or meron lang mga parts na i-off tayo. So, dito natin yan makikita sa ating circuit breaker behind our main door. Okay? And then, dito naman po tayo. This area is for your living space. Ayan. So, nakikita natin, house turnover is as is, where is. So, meaning, lahat po ng makikita nyo dito sa video na ito na ipapakita ko sa inyo, ito po ang marireceive nyo during house turnover. Okay? So, going back, this is your living area. Ito po ideal para kung meron kayong television set, entertainment set, nandito po yung ating mga outlets for internet and for electricity. Okay? On this side, we have a window na nasa kabila ng window na ito ay yung lanay area natin, which has screens also para po sa ating ventilation and natural lighting. Okay? On the other side, mayroon pa pong isang set ng windows here sa taas, as you can see, for natural lighting and ventilation. Lahat po ito ay may screen. Okay? And then we have additional outlets here. Okay, so nandito naman tayo ngayon sa kabilang side ng house. Dito sa ground floor, ito po ang ideal space for your dining area. Ayan, sa kabila po nito, nandito po yung ating sliding doors with screen. So dito po, ideally, pwede nyong ilagay ang inyong dining table. And then sa kabilang side naman, dito po, pwede kayong maglagay ng storage area kung gusto nyo or additional furnitures na pwede nyong ilagay dyan. So dito po, meron siyang door going towards a common bathroom. So later on, papakita ko po yan kung saan po siya connected. But let's proceed dito po muna sa ating kitchen. Ayan. So we have here our fully tiled kitchen. Ang ganda ng backsplash Gusto ko ang backsplash. But again, ito pong tiles ninyo at yung backsplash ng inyong kitchen is customizable. So, pwede nyo pong piliin kung anong design yung gusto ninyo. Okay? And then, here sa kitchen natin, kasama na po yung ating mga cabinets, soft close. We have here also a cabinet. Here, the racks are included. So, magkakaroon po ito ng stainless racks. Ito pong cabinet po natin na ito. Ito lang po. So, this is ideal for mga spices, kung gusto nyo itago, mga plates, mga cups, pwede naman din, utensils, kitchen, appliances, or whatever that you want to keep. Pwede po dito for it to be organized. So, ngayon po, wala lang siya, pero kasama po ang ating stainless rack. Okay? And then we have soft close cabinets here also. Ayan. So, kasama na po yan. And then, the good thing here also sa kitchen, one of my favorite is the glass stove. So, ang stove po natin ay both gas stove. So, meron po yung connection dito sa ilalim. Ayan. Andito pala yung kitchen rack. Okay, so yung sa gas stove po natin, hindi po natin ilalagay dito sa loob ang gas tank. So, meron po dyang butas na pwedeng paglusutan ng hose ng gas tank to be connected dito sa ating gas stove for safety. Okay? So, yun po. Naka-design po ang ating kitchen para for safety. Okay? And then, as you can see, marami po tayong available na mga electrical outlets here for your kitchen appliances. Okay? On the other side, we have the sink. This is a new design, again, for the sink. We call this quartz stone double bowl kitchen sink. So, ito po ay design para sa mga hard water deposits, para ma-eliminate po natin yung problem sa hard water deposits. Kasi di ba minsan, pag stainless, ang pangit tignan kasi may mga mancha ng tubig. So, for this quartz stone na design, it eliminates that problem. Okay? So, maganda siya. Favorite niya ng mga mamshi, yung mga ganyan, mga magagandang type ng kit ng kitchen sink. Para laging maganda tingnan ng kitchen. Okay? So, and then we also have here additional windows with screens para sa ating ventilation. So, kung nagluluto ka, gusto mo ma-eliminate yung amoy ng niluluto mo, buksan mo lang to and then. But you can also put in a range hood here para sa exhaust ng iyong stove. Okay? And then, kagaya po nung pinakita ko kanina, ito po yung access natin outdoor kasi meron tayong waterproof door here. Ayan. Okay? And then, let's proceed. On the other side, we have bedroom 1. Pasok po tayo. So, ang bedroom 1 po natin ay ideal for the elderly na mga relatives po ninyo, or this could be your house helper's room. Okay? So, ready na po ito. Ayan. Meron ng outlets dito. And then, meron din po tayong cabinet here. Ayan. Yung iba, kung wala naman silang house help, wala din silang elderly, this could be a good space for your pantry. Okay? So, pwede nyong set upan ng pantry or this could be like a storage room also. Again, yung pinakita ko po kanina na sabi ko, meron tayong common bathroom connecting to another room. This is it. Ito po ang ating bathroom 1. So, common bathroom po ito connected doon sa kabilang side ng house. So, pasok po tayo sa ating bathroom. Yan, ang ganda. Okay, ganda. So, fully tiled po ito from floor to ceiling, kung makikita ninyo. And then, kasama na po dito sa package natin ang ating sink, ang ating mirror, ang ating toilet. We have bidet. Here, we have glass dividers. And then, yung ating shower hose. And then, faucet. And then, yan, fully tiled din po yan. Plus, again, another window for ventilation. So, dito pa sa side na to, we have additional windows. Ang outside po nito ay ang ating 2 carport garage. Again, with screens. Okay? So, right now, let's proceed na sa ating second floor. Go! Okay, so we're here now on our second floor. So let's proceed first to our bedroom 2. Okay, so dito po sa ating bedroom 2, again, we have outlets here for electricity and for internet connection. We have sliding windows with screens. Ayan. And then, meron po tayong outlet dito kasi may abang po ito for an air-conditioned unit. And so, butas na po yan for aircon. Okay? And then, here, we have the vanity area. Meron tayong mirror, sockets, additional cabinets. We have lighting and additional space. And then, meron po tayong mga outlets dito. Okay? And then, kasama po ang ating floor-to-ceiling cabinets. Ayan. Modern design, gamit mo na lang ang kulang. Ayan. And then, we have our bathroom here. Toilet and bathroom. Connected po ito sa bedroom number 3. So, later on, I'll show you. So, ito po ang ating bathroom. So, as you can see, meron po tayo ditong toilet, bidet, we have the sink, tiled din ito from floor to ceiling. We have a mirror. We have sliding doors. Elevated na din po ito. So, kung naliligo or basa sa dito sa area na to, hindi madaling lilipat yung tubig dito sa part na to. So, we also have our shower hose and faucet. Okay? Window for ventilation. So, coming out of the bedroom, hello! Ito po yung ating connecting door to bedroom number 3. So, we have here also vanity area, again, with mirror, light, extra space, cabinet, and sockets. Okay? On this side, we have cabinets, modern cabinets, floor to ceiling. Ayan. And then we have additional outlets here for your internet and for electricity. Another window here for ventilation, natural lighting. And then we have a socket here for abang. Nakaabang na po ang ating lalagyanan ng aircon. Okay? So now, let's proceed to the master's bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom. Ang ganda, sobrang spacious. So, dalhin ko muna kayo sa bathroom ng ating master's bedroom. So when you go inside, makikita mo agad, ang ganda ng bathtub. So gusto mo lagi ditong mag-relax. Kasi ang ganda. Okay? So, sa bathtub natin, meron tayo ditong faucet, meron ding shower hose. Okay? And then, we have sliding doors. Sliding glass doors. Okay? On both sides, we also have shower hose and rain shower, and then faucet. Okay? And then, this is the toilet. May kasamang bidet. And then, sliding windows with screens for ventilation and natural light. So we have here a hanging sink. This is what we call the hanging sink with cabinets for your bathroom essentials. Faucet, outlet, and then the mirror. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng ating master's bedroom bathroom. Okay. So pagpasok mo sa master's bedroom, we have here, again, your entertainment space, ideal for entertainment space. We have sockets for connections. For natural lighting, we have extended sliding windows here with screens. Okay, lalagyan na lang yan ng cortina or Korean blinds. Perfect na yan. Okay, and then, ito pong space na to, this could be where your bed is. Okay, and then we do have outlets here on the side too. Okay? And then here, so we have bigger cabinets po dito, mas malaki kasi nga ito ang ating master's bedroom. But still, from floor to ceiling pa din ang mga cabinets natin, which are very stylish. So yan. And then meron tayo dito mga sliding na cabinet parts. Yan. Okay? And then, hindi mawawala sa bawat room natin ang ating vanity area. So, meron din ditong extra storage. Another one up here. May lighting po tayo. Nandito ang switch niyan at nandito din may isang extra socket. And then, ang ating mirror. Okay? And then here, this is the perfect part of the master's bedroom. This is the balcony with sliding doors and screens. So, pagka pumunta ka dito sa balcony, nakikita mo, ayan, sobrang spacious. Dito sa kabilang side, meron tayong outdoor lighting. Again, there's an additional socket here with cover for protection. And then, mag-extend po yan dito. Okay? So, imagine yourself, din dito ka every night, nagpapahinga from work. Dito ka lang, punta ka lang dito, and then pagmasdan mo, sobrang peaceful ng space dito, sobrang peaceful ng community, serene. Ang sarap magpahinga, at sobrang sarap ng hangin. Okay, so by the way, this is in Pacific Park Place Village in Dasmariñas. So medyo malapit na ito sa mga higher areas of Cavite. Kaya yung hangin dito ay kalmado at malamig talaga. Okay, so let's have a recap of all the details of this house, the Pearl House Model Unit. Okay, so let's have a recap of the house specification of the Pearl Model Unit. This has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms with a total lot area of 150 square meters and a total developed area of 204.83 square meters. This house is fully finished, as is where is turnover. Meaning, lahat po ng nakita nyo sa house tour kanina, yun po ang marireceive ninyo during the house turnover. For the house nearby establishments, we have different malls such as SM Dasmariñas, Robinsons Dasmariñas. We also have nearby accesses in Vermosa, Ayala Vermosa. We have Vista Mall. We have Villar City. And then for the nearby hospitals, we have University Medical Center of De La Salle. We also have Emilio Aguinaldo General Hospital. And then we also have Asian Hospital and Medical Center. For the nearby universities, we have De La Salle University, we have Philippine Christian University, we have National University, Emilio Aguinaldo College, and we also have the upcoming UP Dasmariñas, and then also the Ateneo Cavite. For the major roads and expressways, we do have Cavitex, we have SLEX, we also have MCX and the Calax interchange. Okay, so if you're interested, don't hesitate to send us a message here on our Facebook page and also here in YouTube. If you want to have a house viewing, if you want property advice or property real estate consultation, don't hesitate to send us a message. I'm Micah Narsabal. I'm a property advisor specialist here in H&H Real Estate Marketing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Bye!